Welcome to my channel, Gaming with Kaden, and we're gonna be opening 4 Evolution packs. And Brooklyn, my sister, is gonna open the other 2, and I'm gonna open the Charizard and Venusaur. So, yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna start with this one. Somebody open it. It's too hard. I can do it.
I got it.
Well, can I? That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Now I can open it.
Okay, Brooklyn, I can read it.
Now I can. Okay.
I got a Poliwag, a Slandrum, a Voltorb, a Magnemite,
It's not yours.
a Caterpie, a Reverse Rattata, a regular rare Dugtrio, and a Colorless Energy, and a Charmeleon, and a Charizard Spirit Link.
Now my next one. Now my next one.
Okay, now it's my turn. Now it's my turn, Brooklyn.
Okay.
I got a Drowsy. Oh. I got a Drowsy, a Magikarp, a Electabuzz, a Rattata, a Growlithe, a Reverse Kakuna, a regular rare Arcanine, and a Pidgeot Spirit Link, and a Blastoise Spirit Link, and a Switch.
Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. No, I can do it.
I'm grabbing the code.
Okay.
Okay.
I was going to get them to you. Okay.
I got a Growlithe, a Ghastly, a Charmander, a Rattata, a Caterpie, a reverse Vulpix. Oh my god, I got a Mega Pidgeot EX! That's cool. And I got a Magmar, a Evolution Spray, and a Pokedex.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Shabby.
I get. Ghastly, a Magnemite, Seal, Charmander, and a Digger, and a Block, and a Farfetch'd, and a Pokedex, and
Haunter. And undo retrieval. Thanks for subscribing, and stay tuned for some Minecraft videos, and comment and like. And thank you for watching.